Evening southeast Texas, and as expected, temperatures only in the 40s today with northerly winds. It is cold out there. Of course, we had 1 to 3 inches of rain overnight last night. That was very helpful, and we have more rain on the way. We'll show you that coming up in just a moment. Moisture levels still pretty high for this time of the year. Of course, the deepest moisture to our south in the Gulf, but we'll have plenty of moisture in place coming up for tomorrow with a very good chance of rain, maybe even a rumble of thunder or two as we get that overrunning. Good moisture levels tomorrow, cold air at the surface, warm moist air overriding that with a disturbance, and that's going to give us that 90% coverage of rain tomorrow. Could see some 1 to 2 inch rain, especially near the coastline, followed by some much drier air tomorrow night into Tuesday before rain chances return Wednesday night and Thursday of next week. All right, let's take a look at expected rainfall totals with this first event. 1 to 2 inches, not out of the question, especially from Interstate 10 southward. Amounts will be lighter in the lakes, but you're still going to get some rain. And we'll see temperatures, as we said, only in the 40s tomorrow with this rain falling. We'll add to that as we head to Thursday's event, another inch of rain possible Wednesday night and Thursday. Maybe some areas as much as 2 inches on Thursday. So this graphic here ending Friday at 7 p.m. This is rainfall totals for both events. So you can see pretty impressive totals here and there. So that would really help out on the drought if that amount of rain verifies. We're looking for about 1 to 2 inches though, a little bit less though, up in the lakes. Futurecast, a few sprinkles tonight, cold temperatures holding steady in the 40s, and here comes the rain from the southwest tomorrow morning. Once again, could be a lightning strike, maybe a rumble or two of thunder tomorrow. Certainly nothing severe. It's going to be a cold day. Look at those temperatures in the morning, low 40s with it raining, wind blowing a little bit. Rains continuing throughout the day. Let up a little bit in the afternoon as we head toward late in the day. Of course, we stay in the 40s, and that light rain still falling late in the afternoon. Still a few sprinkles tomorrow night, followed by some drier weather coming up with some high clouds on Tuesday. We'll clear out somewhat tomorrow night. So here's a look at wind chills. These aren't temperatures, these are wind chills. Tuesday morning when you wake up, it'll feel like 30 to 32 degrees across the area. So it is got cold weather coming up for the next few days ahead. Marine forecast, small craft advisory in effect, that water temperature down to 70 degrees. Tonight, can't rule out a few light sprinkles, drizzle, and mist. Of course, the rain's moving in around daybreak. Cold night, upper 30s, near 40 in the lakes, low 40s in the triangle. Temperature staying in the 40s tomorrow. 80% rain for the lakes, 90% for inland southeast Texas and the triangle. Once again, some 1 to 2 inch rains, not out of the question, especially from Interstate 10 toward the coast. 7-day forecast, a cold one, that's for sure. Rain and cold tomorrow, miserable day. 37 Tuesday morning with that cold wind chill. Some sun in the afternoon, high of 55, and 36 Wednesday morning. That'll all depend on what time the clouds start moving in. Could be close to freezing Wednesday morning in the lakes, and then another chance of rain Wednesday night into Friday morning.